right. We out of here, boys. Huh.
So you can flash people.
Yeah, but no one's gonna see it. I just revved the shit out of it. No way. We're supposed to meet up with that dude. Yeah, we're going to meet up with that orange R6 dude. We're going to Chipotle right now. Ah! What's going on? So, ooh, that thing's dope. But yeah, downtown, baby. It's freaking nice. And I wanted to leave. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today. Yes, sir. I don't know where we're going, so I gotta have him lead. I guess a lot of people did come with us, though. Jesus Christ, this dude's pops are insane. To do it. See ya! It is so windy out, yo. She sounds good. Damn, okay. He's getting pissed. He's saying, get out the way, boy. Get out the way. Don't know where we're going, so as I'm hungry as shit, I want to eat. I want to eat. They sound exactly the same. It's so funny. He started in third gear. That's not fair. He started in third gear. He doesn't hear me. I want to line up with him. Let's go, that was fun. Woo! That was a good ride. I like that. Ah! Ow. How you doing?
I was like trying to catch up to you guys. Fucking truck right in.
I did?
No, it's BMW.
Oh.
Come on, bro.
You going to Sheets? Are we stopping at Sheets? I think. Okay. I think we're gonna get Chipotle first. We're gonna get Chipotle. Yes.
I'm sure it'll feel with like. Now you have to give me. You have 2 seconds.
How them wheelies?
What?
How them wheelies?
That's
I'm giving you content. I don't know if I need gas.
I like that.
What? Alright. I think that'll do it for the video, guys. I'm gonna go eat some food. I'm freaking starving, yo. Some Chipotle right there. So if you guys like the higher rips, let me know. Yeah. Oh, that carbon looks so good. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, please. Comment down below. And, you know, ride safe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.
We'll be right back.